Hey guys, so it has been a while since I've actually done a sit-down makeup tutorial. Now, as you can tell from the title below, today's tutorial isn't for the entire look that I'm wearing here today. It is just focusing on all the skin. So for the last 2 weeks or so, my skin has been breaking out worse than it's been since oh god, probably grade 8 or grade 9. It's been a while. And most of it's concentrated on this side of the face. You can, actually, yeah, no, you can't really tell, so this worked well today, because normally you might be able to see a little bit of this one right here, because that one it didn't want to cooperate today. But I wanted to give you guys a full coverage, bam, face tutorial. So this is the primer, foundation, contour, powder, basically everything that I used to get my base good. I didn't do the blush or highlight on camera, so if you want to see how to get the base for this, I wanted to do the full makeup afterwards for this intro, and then also for just the little outro at the end. That way you guys could see how everything came together, but the tutorial is just for the foundation routine. So if you're looking for that, that'd be good. If you guys do want a tutorial on the full makeup look that I am wearing, then just comment below, let me know, and I will do that for you. But if you want to get this base and see what I've been using just as far as foundation and concealer and everything for when I am doing full-on dramatic, colorful, or when we do our princessing for cosplay, any high coverage camera photos, or just you're not having a good skin day and want to just cover that all up, then keep watching, and that is the tutorial that you are on right now. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off this foundation routine with the Fenty Beauty primer. Now this is the Pro Filter. It's a retouch primer, but I also like how moisturizing it is. I feel like my skin feels really nice after I use it. So I start off with that, and then I'm going to be going in with two different NARS foundations. The first one you're seeing there is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and then the second one is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Now, the Natural Radiant is a little bit too pink for me, and the All Day Luminous is a little bit too yellow, but when I blend these two together I really like how they look, so I'm just mixing them and then putting it all over my face, dotting onto my cheek, my chin, and then onto my forehead. And then once I have them sort of placed onto the skin, I'm going to be blending it out all nicely. And this is a very full coverage combination, and I really like how it looks when I want just a flawless base. So now I'm going to set the bottom half of my face with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. Now this is, like the name suggests, something meant specifically for under your eyes, but I like setting just around my chin and on where my smile lines would be with this powder as well if I'm going for super full coverage. Just feel it looks really nice. So there I just held up the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. Now this is a waterproof concealer, and I love how full coverage it is for this sort of a foundation routine. I'm blending that under my eyes, and then I'm going to be going back in with that powder again, and this time I'm setting under my eyes since we have the concealer on now. Don't need to worry about it getting cakey about putting concealer over a powder, but it is still soon enough that everything will be set nicely. So then I'm going in with the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm just taking the Center Dark shade and contouring under my cheekbone. I'm also going to take that contour up onto my temples and around my forehead a little bit, and also a little bit down around my chin. Just that way it gives you that nice chiseled look, and it'll go and even out all of the contour shades around your face. I am also going to bring that shade on a little eyeshadow brush just to contour the sides of my nose, just to bring a little bit of that darker color onto the center of my face so that it doesn't look too light there, and it can kind of throw off the look if it looks like the center of your face is too bright compared to the contour that you have on the outside edges. And it gives you just an idea of how everything came together here. There's a close-up of my skin and how it's looking there. And then I put together a little bit of a makeup look, got some bright colored eyeshadow and some heavy brows, just that way you can see how this foundation routine looks with a very full-on glam makeup look. There we go, so this is how that all came together. You saw it at the beginning of the video, but just one more quick little look. After all of the foundation and primer and concealer and powders and everything go on, you add your eyeshadow and your brows and your lipstick and some blush and highlight, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.